Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect the Gamesir Cyclone 2 to your PC in 2026. Now, Gamesir Cyclone 2 supports multiple connection modes using the USB connection or Bluetooth and even 2.4 GHz wireless. So you can choose the method that works best for your setup. First of all, you need to plug the controller into your PC using the USB cable. As soon as you connect it, the Windows will automatically detect the controller and install the required drivers. Now, this is the most stable method and it works instantly with most of the games. After that, if your controller comes with a USB dongle, you can also plug it into your PC and then you can turn on the controller and it will automatically pair with the dongle. This method provides low latency and it is ideal for gaming. Alternatively, you can also use Bluetooth on your PC and then you can put the controller into the pairing mode by holding the pairing button. Afterwards, you can just simply right click on the taskbar and click on the option of taskbar settings. When you are inside it, click on the option of Bluetooth and devices. Over here, you just have to select your controller from the list and click on the option of connect. Once connected, just make sure that the controller is in the correct input mode, such as the X input mode for maximum compatibility with the PC games. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.